Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rosella. I'm showing you how I get my nails ready for Color Street. First, I gather all of my tools, including these readers. Very important to see what I'm doing and make sure that I am getting rid of any peeling or any little chips in my nails that may affect how Color Street stays on. And if you use any tools, make sure you do use the alcohol and, wash them. And that's what's in that glass. So it's very important to stay nice and clean. So first thing I do is file my nails. Make sure you go in one direction. I like that crystal nail file. Works really well. Next, I use jojoba oil. And I rub that in really well. Actually, I do that every day, even when I have on my polish. It keeps your cuticles nice and soft. But you especially need to do it before you push back your cuticles. Then I use a rubber-tipped cuticle pusher and push them back. It's pretty easy using my right hand, but to do my right hand, that for some reason is difficult for me. If you felt any kind of resistance when you were pushing back your cuticles, you probably have what's called an invisible cuticle. It's just like this very thin layer, not able to see with the naked eye. So you use the cuticle remover product. You put that on and rub it in, leave it on for a few minutes. It tells you what to do. Anyways, when you're all done with that, then you can push them back with that handy dandy metal pusher. You're not really pushing them back, you're kind of just scraping off that invisible layer. Then use the other side to clean on the sides and underneath and anything else that might still be sticking to your nails. Be very careful when you're using this so you don't hurt yourself. Next up, very important, this is where I put on my readers so I can really see what's happening, because you just can't see it. Things that are important that may affect how your Color Street stays on. So if you have nails like me, you might have to lightly buff them. This is a 4-sided buffer, but I do just use the side that says buff. And if you have any peeling, you want to get rid of that. Next, this is also, be very careful if you have actual dead skin, like hangnails, then clip them off. Next, put that jojoba oil back on. I usually wait about 12 hours before I put on my Color Street, and then just follow the directions. Thank you so much for watching, and check out my other application videos. If you want more tips and tricks, or just want to get into a group that is super fun, please join us at the Sparkly Life Facebook group. I will put the link below. Thanks for watching. If you have not yet, please subscribe, and if you like this video, please like the video. Thanks. See you next time.